Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make chicken fried rice that is better than what you can get in takeout. So let's get started. Okay, we have a large skillet that is heating up. We're going to use some sesame oil. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in. And we're going to start with our vegetables. We have about a medium onion chopped as well as some grated carrots. We'll let that reduce and we'll check in just a little bit. Okay, I almost forgot, we want to add some minced garlic in there. Okay, we're going to take this off the heat, set it aside. We're going to start on our chicken. Okay, next we're going to start on our chicken. We're going to add some more sesame seed oil. I have about 4 chicken thighs that I cut up. You can use chicken breast if you like, but I like thighs a little better because they're a little more flavorful. We're going to give that a light fry, get that started. We're going to add a little salt and pepper. Okay, now that our chicken's been frying for close to 10 minutes, it's pretty well done. So I'm going to push this to the side, and I'm going to throw my 2 eggs in, and we're going to go ahead and fry those up. And we're going to give those a good constant stir to scramble them up. Okay, now that our scrambled egg is good and cooked, we're going to go ahead and mix this all together, and then we're going to bring our vegetables back in. Then we're going to start adding some more seasoning. Okay, now that we've got those incorporated back, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce and let that go for another 5 minutes or so. Okay, now it's been frying for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add, I have approximately 3 cups of some used white rice, or leftover white rice I should say. And we're going to add another tablespoon to 2 of soy sauce and give that a good stir. I added in another teaspoon of soy sauce, and that you can do kind of to your own preference. We're cooking some egg rolls also, and we're going to give this a try here in just a little bit. Hey, we got Riley and Trevin here are going to try it out. Try this chicken fried rice, see how it tastes. You've had this before too. Is it like good like Chinese restaurant good? It's hot.
No.
Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.